Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about use of variables in formulae. A formula is nothing but a relation between two quantities expressed using variables. For example, if we want to find the perimeter of a square, so we have square and we know all the sides of the square are of equal length, and we also know, as per definition, perimeter is sum of all sides. So perimeter of square will be sum of all these sides. Will we have squares having the same side, always same side? For example, this is a square of side, let's say 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate perimeter. Do we have to always calculate perimeter of square of size 5 centimeter? No. Sometimes we have to calculate perimeter of square of 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 1 meter, 3 meters. So the length of the side is going to change, and because it is going to change, we will use a variable to denote that. So let's say I use a variable s to denote measurement of the side of a square, and now in that case perimeter of square would be s plus s plus s plus s, because all the sides have same measurement. So it is 4 times s. 4 times means 4 multiplied by s, and we know we don't write multiplication sign when we are dealing with alphabets and numbers together. So this is going to be the formula for perimeter of square. Now in same way the perimeter of rectangle, let's draw a rectangle. In this case we know one of them is length and other is breadth, and we also know the opposite sides of rectangle are of equal measure. So now we want to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. Again we know we are going to get rectangles which have different lengths and different breadths. So what we'll do is we'll use a variable to denote length as L and breadth as B. So perimeter of rectangle would be L plus B. Now this is also L because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides equal, so this is also B. So this is L and this is also B. So L plus B plus L plus B, and which shows us that we have 2 times L plus B. And this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, and this is the formula for perimeter of square. So this way we can make use of variables to establish the relation between two quantities, and that will be called as a formula. In the same way, we can also denote the commutative law or distributive property of numbers. We know in commutative property, what we say is 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. So we interchange the numbers, we still get the same result in case of addition and multiplication. That's what commutative rule says. So here it will be 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. It's only for addition and multiplication. So now, does it mean that always here it has to be 3 and here it has to be 4? No, it can be any number. Here, any number here. So we will denote these numbers with letters. We'll call the first digit or first number, not digit, first number as A and second number as B. So now if we replace these here, This is the first number, this is the second number. So A plus B is equal to this second number B plus the first number A. And this is our commutative rule for addition. Similar way here, it will be A into B is equal to B into A. So we can represent our commutative property using variables. Similarly, we can also represent the distributive property. We know that if I have 4 and in bracket 3 plus 7, then that is equal to 4 into 3 plus 4 into 7. So I will multiply with this number outside the bracket with each number inside the bracket, keeping the sign intact. So again, if I use first number A, second number B and third number as C. So that would be A in bracket B plus C is going to be equal to A into B plus A into C. And that is our distributive property represented using variables.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.